Y'all see me? Y'all see me? Yeah. This is Raven. For people that's new and people who's like already subscribed. Hi. Welcome back. And we're about to roll the intro scene right now.
Sunrise after a good night, oh my. Have you ever been in love? Ooh.
Okay, I kind of look dusty, crusty right now. Not gonna lie, cause I got like hella acne, and there's like, yeah. Anyways, I hope me being ugly don't ruin the video, cause I'm gonna watch this back and edit it and be like, what the fuck, and I'm be so disappointed. But anyways, I'm about to go to on another little mini. Y'all see me in the back, bro. I'm about to go to another mini adventure with my friend Avrel. Hey, alright, are you with me? You ain't playing with this shit. On phone him, I want to climb this tree. The only thing is that I'm too short. I'm too short. Actually, bitch.
What you climbing trees? Your monkey, bro.
Your mom. Your mother.
What you was watching?
So mata. Hey, my God. What the fuck? Oh yeah. Wait, I can't pull myself up. I can't pull myself up. Never mind.
She wants to swing. It's about to rain.
I bet it is. We drove for nothing.
Here.
Hey.
Imagine you take a bitch out here and she try to drown you.
What the fuck? This part not deep. Down there is.
You don't even know what animals in this bitch.
Your mom?
Keep playing. We gonna have some problems.
Keep playing like Monopoly? You gonna have trouble. Cause I'm sorry. Ah, you get it, yeah. You see this knee? I'm gonna slap it, cause that's a knee slapper. That shit hurt. I'm not even gonna count with you. Not you gonna knee slap after me. That shit hurt it. Fuck. My leg red and shit.
Not laugh like the devil.
Come on, let's shake that shit. Come on, nigga, come shake that shit for me.
Whoa! I thought we shaking hips.
No music? What
the fuck?
Hell no.
Nigga.
What was that? Today I don't feel like doing anything. You know the song?
Just wanna lay in my.
You didn't say the do part.
Man, fuck that do. This ain't Baby Shark, nigga.
All right, come on. Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like taking off my phone to leave a message at the tone. Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up and stare at the... What's the thing?
I don't know the rest of that shit. Dun 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 dun.
We're about to go to Janae's house.
What the fuck is a giga nigga?
Who the fuck is Giga nigga? We're gonna go to Janae. Look at this big hawk. It's not that big on camera, but
That's
it's really big in person. Whatever the fuck it is.
That's a pelican.
All right.
Why throw that?
This. Oh no! Did y'all see that?
You got it on camera.
No.
That nigga belly flop.
I think he's getting a fish.
What the fuck?
I thought somebody shot his ass. The way
I thought that nigga got.
he dived in the water. Alright, we literally wasted gas, and what we said this video was about is clearly not about that anymore. So if you want to continue to watch, go ahead, be my guest. Be my guest, no Trey Songz. It's a song called Be My Guest by Trey Songz. Anyways, we're gonna go to our friend's house. Okay, we made it to Janae's crib. Yeah. She just deconditioned her hair. Yeah.
He's a what?
Oh. Heel toe. Yeah.
Swimming.
Wait. Okay, Goofy.
Stupid ass snitch.
I'm talking about her shit. She just moved in, so don't none of that.
Come on,
None of that.
Just vibe, y'all.
Just vibes.
I ain't got nothing to shake, Bill.
No TikTok, yeah.
Hold on.
Saucy Santana.
You look like Jesus.
Saucy Santana.
Fucking a little too hot.
Why are you doing that? It's not even hot. Like,
That goofy ass laugh.
do the little comb through the hair thing.
Bro, what the fuck, yeah.
Oh, let me get the other side. Why are you so far?
It's your leg day, bro.
I want a wig install.
Mike shut down.
You know, but you know what else getting your mouth and shit? You know what else getting your mouth and shit?
Yo, pause.
Yeah, you fucking.
Giga nigga?
Probably was last month. Wrap that shit up right now. Y'all, this Brazilian 30-inch came from Ohio.
This is like 24 inches.
Can you just
It's not that hot.
why, nigga? Just why? I feel you creeping. I can see it from my shadow. When I jump in my Lamborghini girl auto, maybe go to my place and just kick it like Tyro, and possibly bring you over. Look back and watch me smack that all on her smack that. Give me some more. You're fat. Oh, she saying you stink, gang.
No. I coughed a little bit.
A little bit.
You don't even know my name, do ya? You don't even know my.
Bro, y'all do that one video of the Michael Jackson brothers, and then that one nigga was just like, go like this the whole time. That's what never mind, fuck it. Are we about to go to the store? Alright, let's get out of guys.
My knees.
Damn, it's a median! What you need to do? What you need to do? I can face ass. And all the niggas in trouble. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby.
Keep on coming back.
Girlfriend's telling me I don't know how to act. I'm the fuck a hood nigga. I don't fuck with them.
Oh, if that's the vibe we on, we gotta go back and play Trina.
Ooh! I'm single again. I'm not single. Back on the prowl.
I never really find another bitch like me.
And I don't care what your friends say. What we have is like Jay and Beyonce. Oh, was it all a dream? And I'm killing you hoes. You see that outfit, bitch? Killing you hoes. Cute face and ass swole. Killing you hoes, bitch.
I ain't got nothing to say to you. I can't even believe you. You know what? I'm too fly for this shit. You playing yourself.
Here we go again. Now you're telling me that
I can't even look in your face without wanting to slap you. Damn, I thank God I ain't get that tattoo. You better thank God I ain't had a strap, boo. You don't even work that trick it at you. Matter of fact, trick it at dude. I'm convinced I ain't got shit to ask you. Tell the trifling bitch she can have you. I ain't looking at you no more. I'm looking past you.
here we go again.
A fuck nigga better not ever play with me, cause I'ma get my Smith and Wesson and I'ma blow your ass up, and I'ma blow your house up, and blow your grandma house up, and blow your mama house up. You fuck nigga, shut up. Bitch ass nigga don't play. I'm playing, I'm not gonna blow shit up. I'ma leave you.
Me on some killer shit. Somebody getting whacked. You know I mean business when I'm in all black.
So don't you hate on me. You my dog, then just be my dog. And don't you change on me. Don't you switch. Don't you change on me. And switch your lanes on me. Cause I'm trying to get in between you. That's what I get for loving you. How the fuck you put a baby on child support? I'm married to the game. Oh, no divorce. And every time I splurge, you like it for being real to her. You like it for being real to you. Out your league, bitch. Got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too street, bitch. These made up on switching sides. Switching sides. Yeah. See ya. Yeah. He's so hard.
Bitch, be for real. Bitch, get in.
If you don't like the money,
bitch, I'm higher than a fucking cause I'm flyer than a fucking ostrich. Them niggas don't fly. I'm
Look, I look like getting back to a has-been. Yeah, I said it, has-been. Hang it up, flat screen.
Plasma.
Hey, Nikki, asthma.
You play the back.
Bitch, I'm in the front.
Yo. Boss ass bitch.
Bow.
Yo, I employ these niggas. They be grown man, but I little boy. These niggas and grill my sawfish, bitch. I'm a boss bitch.
That bitch.
No,
That bitch.
no,
That bitch. That bitch.
Oh, top missing.
This shit look like a toothpaste. I get what you get in 10 years and 2 days. Ladies love me. I'm on my cool J.
I'm on that dick. Oops, I said on my dick. I really mean say on my dick, but since we talking about my dick,
All you haters say hi to it.
I'm done.
Ay. Let's go. When I feel like gotta get away.
They know, gotta stop it. They know,
Gotta win every day. They go.
They know that stop me. They know that you'll never stop me.
Even if we gotta be a little cocky.
Every time I gotta get it out of there. I gotta get it out of
I'm begging on knees and I'm begging on back.
Oh, interview
Bro, that nigga said nim.
Look at me now,
bitch. Oh, that was your girl.
I thought I recognized her.
Oh yeah, look at that shit.
You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, got a little baddina, and we stay good friends. Got a little candy in a pocket. That shit was mid. She gon' take off like a things that a girl like me does.
I'm a woman because I'm 18.
Girl, fuck you.
19 next month.
Pop that shit. Oh,
Pop that shit.
pop that shit.
Pop that shit.
What we got?
What? Got some bad bitches.
And don't fuck me for this AP.
From me for that.
You got a bone right there. You got no way. She gon' fuck me for that watch.
We ain't even know church finna take sand.
This is unlimited.
It tastes like a computer. This the fuck?
Shut that shit up. You wanna know why you gotta shut that shit up? Go ahead, Janae. Go ahead.
Hold me
Okay.
closer in ease.
Okay.
Trying time.
I've been out in Bella like Will was. These streets got so familiar. Period. Wonder how you been. I've been wondering how you been, babe. Where you at? Text me, hit me, yo, call me.
I'm outside in that AMG. Right outside.
Like, the only time was like him talking. Alright, we're gonna end the vlog here. I know it wasn't really nothing.
It's just like,
Just vibe to it.
but I can't say like,
That's real.
I don't
That's
doubt
Janae.
him about
Y'all
it.
just seen him.
cause he was there,
Thanks for watching.
but he think that
This is Raven. I'm signing out.
him just
Bye.
being
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to Balenciaga Gang. Ignore her profile picture. That shit is not her. It's Nicki Minaj.